When I decided to buy a pickup truck, I checked with the local car dealer. It seemed quite expensive to me as I'd recently seen the advertisement of a Hilux pickup by VigoAsia.com and saw more reasonable prices. But I didn't have any idea about importing cars. But either way, I decided to contact VigoAsia. I really honestly just appreciated VigoAsia's guiding me and making my purchase way easier than I expected. At first, I thought it was going to be difficult to import the car, but VigoAsia was very friendly in just explaining it to me. Honestly, the most reliable car dealer that I've ever seen. They made my purchase so simple and easy. Honestly, I just realized that anybody can just buy and import their car so easily without any hesitation. There were a few steps and a little bit of a procedure that I went through to purchase my pickup. So I went to the website, selected the unit that I was interested in, and I selected the country, destination port, and I submitted my inquiry through email. At the same time, I saw the WhatsApp number and messaged them the same query via WhatsApp. I was impressed by the quick reply. I started to chat with them about the discount and other questions related to the pickup. Honestly, they were super responsive. I was actually surprised. I was a little skeptical though at first, as this was my first time using VigoAsia, and of course I needed to make sure that my funds were secure and I wasn't getting scammed. So VigoAsia gave me the references to some of their clients who have already imported vehicles from them, and I just decided that, you know what, I'm going to contact them and see what it is. So after I contacted them, I was fully satisfied and decided to proceed with my deal. I asked them about the discount and requested to pay an advance of 50% so my car could be shipped and board. They issued me the invoice with the discounted price, with the instructions mentioning that 50% in advance and my balance of 50% after shipment within 10 days. Then I submitted the invoice to my bank to process the payment of the 50% so my car could be processed for shipment. In a few days, I got the confirmation of the payment receipt. And after 5 days, I got the BL draft copy, and then I hired the clearing agent who also confirmed that my car was on board. And then I processed the remaining balance of 50% as per the instruction on the invoice. And then they DHL'd the original documents to me. In a few days, I got my car delivered to my destination port. It was a very simple and speedy procedure buying a pickup truck from VigoAsia. What can I say? I mean, after my car arrived at the port, I got my vehicle cleared, and honestly, I just felt so excited and happy with the pickup. Its condition was beyond my expectation. Many of my friends have really just tried to buy this pickup from me, and it's crazy. I'm honestly just thinking about selling it and then importing another pickup from VigoAsia, as it's just super simple to order and it's really fast as well. I never thought that it could be this easy to import vehicles. It's just at the tip of your fingertips now. I'm very thankful to VigoAsia for providing me with this excellent service and amazing quality vehicle. Anybody can import a car by themselves with a good discounted price plus the best condition vehicles from VigoAsia. It's insane. Thank you so much to my clearing agent as well, who also did a great job clearing my car. Thanks so much.